Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back. Today is release day. The cart is now open for all of our subscriptions. You can find that on the website. The link is in the description box. The link will take you to our landing page, and from there you can pick which subscription you would like. Also, the link to the shop for all the non-subscription items will be down in the description below. We are having a hop and giveaway. So our monthly hop will feature the box of the month. So you'll see lots of projects and inspiration for that. So hop along, use the hashtag down in the description box. I'll have it on the screen for you. We have a brand new design team. You'll see some familiar faces and you'll see some new faces. So I hope you subscribe and get to know our new design team members. I'm going to share the junior box of the month first. So these are the items in the junior box. So if you go back to each of my sneak peek videos, you'll get to look at the products more in detail. I have a lot to share and I have to keep this video short. So I'm not going to go into too much detail. This is the It's School Time paper pad. It's got really pretty colors in here. We've got purples and pinks, gorgeous designs. And you can use this paper for school themed items, but also crafty items, or maybe even office. Because there's a lot of items in here that pertain to like a craft room or maybe someone that works at an office. So just think outside the box. So we have coordinating ephemera, some beautiful images in here. Let me share the card that I created. So here's the card. It's a little encouragement card for my niece who will be going back to school. And the sentiment, "You got this." This is a perfect encouragement sentiment. I used the sentiment from the stamp set. You got this. There's two sentiments in there. Your top's in my book and you got this. We've got books, a ruler, a pencil, a water brush, a little cluster here with a pear, water bottle, and a paint palette. We've got a girl on a computer with some headphones. We've got a bag with all kinds of stuff in it, crayons, ruler, water bottle, headphones, and then we've got a cup full of stuff. So we've got crayons and pencils, a ruler, and a water brush. So really cute stamp set. Goes great with the paper and the ephemera. Then you get the Just a Little Note, which is so adorable. These three little mice. We have the sentiment, "Have a mice day, hello, school vibes, just a little note to say, and write back soon." So you can see you kind of can use this for different reasons. You could do a school project, but you can also just do a regular hello card, a just a little note card, or write back soon. So super cute. So that's the junior box of the month. Now, for the box of the month, you get all of this. So you get that school time collection with the stamp. You get the Just a Little Note. And then you get the It's Apple Season paper pad and coordinating ephemera and the apple pie stamp set. So here's the cute little apple stamp set. We've got a sentiment that says, "Fresh baked pies, you're sweet. If friends were apples, I'd pick you." And then we've got a basket full of apples, this cute rainbow, a pie, a jam jar with the cute little bee on top, and then there's another single little bee, and then a couple single apples. My camera cut off. I'm not sure where it cut off, so I hope I shared the Just a Little Note stamp set. You'll get all of this in the box of the month. with the little apple stamp set, the coordinating ephemera, and the paper pad. So I already used half of the paper pad. It's super, super gorgeous. The prints in here are beautiful. Just beautiful. So if you want to see everything in more detail, go back to the sneak peeks. Each day I reveal one of the items, do a project with it. I actually did a bunch of live videos, so if you want to check that out. Each time I think I got a little better. The technical difficulties were a little challenging. So here's the ephemera. I used a bunch of ephemera on the cards. Let me show the cards really quickly, but I just want to spread out these images so you can get an idea what's in there. And I did these cards on my YouTube channel members only live stream. And this is a beautiful card. It's like a little book, a tunnel book. It's a faux book. It's not a real book. It just looks like a book. So I used that sentiment. If friends were apples, I'd pick you. And that's from the set here. And just layered a bunch of that ephemera and used the paper pad. It's apple season. So those were really fun to make. If you want to join my channel members, all you have to do is click that join button next to the subscribe button. And if you don't see it, I'll have a link in the description box. And then these are two other cards that I created using the ephemera and the paper pad. Turned out super cute. So love that collection. I do have those available for single purchase as well. So if you wanted to grab some extra paper, ephemera, that's available. I do have the coordinating dies to the stamp set also available on the site. They do not come in any of the boxes. You have to purchase them on the website. There is limited quantity on the dies. So the dies will cut out all the images and the sentiments. It also cuts out the inside of the handle of the mug on the little mice stamp set. There is a new free with 60. So these really pretty sparkling enamel dots. This is going to match the new collection when we come out with our fall quarterly release. So that's coming soon. The release date has moved to August because of some shipping delays. But that's your free with 60. We also have some standalone dies available and a stencil. So these were designed by Stacy Tiedemann. We have a cute little clipboard die, and then we have the sentiment thanks teacher. There's a sample on the back so you can see how to put it all together. And then I have a little sample that I put together. So isn't that super cute? So you could also use the little clipboard without, you know, the apple and the words for some other theme that you want to do. Let me grab an A2 size card so you could kind of see how big that is. So there's the size. Then we also have an apple shaker die. So this is really cute. We have the base and then the shaker part, so you can layer these together to make the frame. We have a little worm that you can have peeking out of your apple, the little seeds on the inside, and then you cut the little leaf twice and add them there, and then the stem. And the sample's on the back, so if you need help putting it together, you can look at the sample. And I have a sample card. So this one turned out really cute. I have, this calls for confetti shaker pieces in there. I just put two little dots for the worm's eyes with a marker and just ink this up with my Distress inks. And this paper is from the It's Apple Season paper pad. And I didn't put a sentiment on there yet because I'm not sure what I'm going to use the card for yet. This would be a nice thank you card, or the sentiment here, if friends were apples, I'd pick you, would go really cute with that. Sweet. So I'm thinking about what sentiment to add. And then the apple quilt stencils, really cute. Nice background stencil. I'm going to be making a card with this really soon, so can't wait to play with that. I want to share the Paper Pad Club of the month and the Stampin' Die of the month. Oh, and here's some images that I stamped out from that cute little set. You got this, so that's how they looked stamped out. Aren't they cute? So then we have the Paper Pad Club. We've got Watercolor Cuties and Ice Cream Dreams. And for the Stampin' Die of the month, we have Chill Day. So really cute. Nice sentiments in here. Smile, have a chill day. Life is better with sprinkles. Ice cream solves everything. You're my favorite flavor. And so cute. And this ice cream cone is just adorable. And then you got some little ice cream cones. The die set will cut out everything, including the sentiments. So we've got Watercolor Cuties, and the watercolor looking patterns in here are just gorgeous, and the colors are so pretty. You get these adorable turtles in there. Here's one all cut out, and I'll show you the cards that I created with this. They turned out absolutely adorable, and they were so simple to make. So I showed on my live stream how to put these cards together. Here's the first card, have a chill day. That sentiment is from the ice cream set. Turned out so cute. I love these turtles. Here's a pink one. So this is a sentiment that's in the paper pad, go with the flow. And then a blue one, and then I used the word so cute. So I did 3 of those. And then for the Ice Cream Dreams, this is a really cute paper pad too. So I love the little words in there, the fonts, and there's a lot of cool patterns in here, like tie-dyed, and then these really cute patterns with the ice cream words. And then there's really cute images in here that let me share the images all cut out. Aren't they super fun? So you get 4 of those. Look how cute this is. I love that pattern there. That yellow's really pretty. So that's the Ice Cream Dreams, and now you have the option to add the ephemera onto your subscription. So if you add the ephemera, it's going to be a recurring order. You'll get the coordinating ephemera each month with your 2 pads of paper. So you have the option to add it or to choose no before checkout. So it's got more of the cute images. I'll just spread out some of them so you could see how cute. Look at that. That one's really cute. So really, really fun. You have lots of options in here. Some more ice cream trucks, super cute cherries. Just really, really fun. And I'll share the 2 cards that I created with the ephemera, and then this one was done with the cutouts from the paper pad. So super, super fun. So I think I shared everything. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the hop. All the links are in the description box for the products. Thank you so much for shopping and watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I will catch you real soon. Bye guys.